बीजेपी मोदी जी ने इतने भीड़ में इतने देख के हमें पूछा कि अरे आप हमारे लिए इतना कष्ट क्यों उठा रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स अ लॉट। आई मीन मोदी जी इतना हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं, दिस इज द लीस्ट वी कुड डू। हमने 4 घंटे से एक पैर पे खड़े रह के तब किया है मोदी जी को थैंक यू बोलने को, एंड वंस अगेन थैंक यू मोदी जी।
एंड जब हमने कहा थैंक यू मोदी जी फॉर एवरीथिंग वी डू, he was thanking us instead for staying here in this cold. इतना अच्छा लगा उनसे मिलने. This kind of humility is so touching. It's so commendable.
मोदी जी को मिलकर बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. इतना थके हुए थे तो भी ऐसा लगा कि ऐसे फ्रेश सबको मिलके बहुत बहुत वो खुश हुए खुद, और हमें भी बहुत खुशी हुई उससे मिलके. और ये धन्य हो गया. हम लोग सुबह से हम उसी के तैयारियां में थे, बट कल भी हम तैयारियां कर रहे हैं उसके लिए. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इट इज फैंटास्टिक. वी रियली एंजॉय मीटिंग हिम, एंड what Modi ji is doing for our country is great, and globally I think he is doing fantastic, all for humanitarian grounds. He's great person.
My name is Meetu. I came here from Virginia. We are waiting for Modi ji. I'm a big fan of Modi ji, and he's the best leader. So we are here waiting for him, and we are looking forward to see him.
Hi, I'm Gujarati. My name is Alka Vyas, and I'm doing this for Modi ji because I am a die-hard fan of Modi ji, and I really admire what he's doing for our country, for India, and also today he's going to have some kind of, a favorable dialogue with President Trump. So we are here to support him.
Welcome to Washington DC. I'm Kripa Singh from Virginia. We are here to welcome Modi ji. और सब लोग यहाँ पे पानी और ठंडक से धक्का मुक्की कर रहे हैं कि पानी और ठंडक जीतती है कि यहाँ के लोग जीतते हैं. थर थर कांप रहे हैं, हाथ को ठंडी से छुपाए हुए हैं. फिर भी मोदी से मिलने के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. हो सकता है कि आधा से पौन घंटे में यहाँ पहुंच जाए मोदी जी, तो लोगों को थोड़ी सी राहत मिलेगी कि भाई यहाँ इतना ठंड में खड़ा होने का कुछ फायदा मिला. लोग सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ भाई जो भी एक अच्छे लीडर, महान लीडर यहाँ पे हैं और दूसरे महान लीडर से मिलने आ रहे हैं, तो मोदी और ट्रंप का दोनों ही जोड़ी बहुत बढ़िया से ये रहे दूसरे के लिए.
Yeah, my name is Srinivas Nathi. I am in Washington DC suburb, and I live in Chantilly. So we are here, Indian American diaspora. All the people are here to welcome the Prime Minister Modi. We are so excited. The US give the highest priority to our Prime Minister is coming here for the all 1.4 billion population on behalf of him.
Hi, myself Ram Narimpalli. We are from Fairfax, Virginia, and we are here to welcome Modi ji, and we are all excited to welcome him.
Namaste everyone, this is Raghavendra Reddy Buyani. I am from Washington DC. We all are here on behalf of Indian diaspora to receive our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He is going to be here anytime soon to meet the 47th President of United States, Donald Trump. So like Modi ji always says, this is the era of AI. AI not just stands for artificial intelligence, but it also stands for the America and India. It's a partnership between America and India. So to begin this new era of AI, so Modi is going to be here, and we all are excited to receive him. So Bharat Mata ki Jai.
We are happy to welcome our beloved Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, and we are very happy to hear, even though the weather is not good, but still the snow is showering, and even the weather is also welcoming Prime Minister.
Yeah, मेरा नाम बाबूराव सामला. I am from मैं वर्जीनिया में रहता हूँ. मैं बैक तेलंगाना से आया हूँ मैं. एंड आज इंडियन डायस्पोरा इतना एक्साइटेड है पूछ रहे मत. सो सब लोगों को अकाउंटमेंट नहीं कर सक रहे, बट टुमारो कल सब बहुत लोग आने वाले हैं. कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स है, सब कुछ है. सो वी आर ऑल इंडियंस आर बहुत एक्साइटेड टू सी हिम.
आई एम हेवीली इन्वॉल्व्ड नाउ with all things tech and policy on US-India relations. My involvement with the Republican Party is fairly new, and it is happening mostly because of David Sachs, who is the President's AI advisor. And because of David, many of us in the San Francisco area got involved with meeting the President when he was visiting us in San Francisco. And we had a nice 2-hour dinner with him at David's home. My interest in Washington, D.C. is, of course, to influence U.S.-India policy. I'm very keen on making sure that we have solid partnerships ratified on ISET, Quad, IMEC, and stuff like that. Now, you just asked me about what I think of the visit here. I think this is going to be one of the most pivotal, one of the most unprecedented, one of the most impactful visits India will ever have with the U.S. And the reason for that is because my understanding right now is that Trump's statements on having a permanent presence in Gaza is just a start, but a permanent presence in the Middle East is a paradigm shift. It is it's something where we haven't done this before. We've not, we've gone to war in a few countries like Iraq and Syria and so on, but we've not had a permanent constructive presence in the Middle East. This is the first time we are going to do this. My guess right now is that President Trump is going to bring this up with President Modi. So as both of them work on things like IMEC, which is the India-Middle East, economic corridor, as both of them work on this corridor, I have a feeling that this relationship is going to take unprecedented turns on defense, on security, and on collaborations and everything from port building, shipbuilding, and multiple business collaborations. So I'm super excited about this. I think this is going to be a very exciting time for U.S.-India relations, not just because U.S. is pivoting away from China, but because we have so many IMEC-related common economic interests.
Modi!